Hey everyone! What's going on? Duncan Derpy Gamer here. We're back. More programming. Gonna get some progress made in my Sonic the Hedgehog clone in JavaScript. So, decided, alright, here's where I am now. Going back into my animation thing. Decided to do this flip direction thing, take my flipping and drawing thing and try and simplify. Alright, just well, I just started. Switch this dot flip. Alright, so basically what I'm having it do here is hey Pablo, what's going on? So what I'm doing right now with this setup is trying to make it so if you can't flip or it's not set to flip the image, hey, don't worry about it, Z. Anyway, what I'm doing is, so if it doesn't have anything set to flip the animation, then it doesn't. But if it does, it will flip it either across the x-axis or the y-axis, or both. Alright, so here we go. Whoops. So, what's going on, everyone? Holy cow, it's a party. Alright, -1, -1. And this is going to be 1, -1. Whoops. There we go. Hey, everyone. I'll join in a few moments. I'm just getting this shit sorted out first. And here, I just want to catch you all up on where I am right now with this. So, I got my animations working. Alright, let me, watch this. And now I use canvas tricks in the form of scaling to make it so I can do so I can now have a simpler sprite sheet. So actually what I did use was a sprite sheet, but it was getting it to work on a simply and efficiently. That was a pain in the ass. So originally what I did here was, whoops. Originally, and this is incomplete because I'm going to add all the different directions for Sonic's walk and run animation, but yep. Yeah, this is from Sonic 1 Remastered, the track. So originally what I did was I had it so each sheet had the right-facing animation and then the left-facing animation immediately after, and it would do all sorts of mathematics to calculate where to do this. But then I decided to try again, because I tried before without success, to use canvas scaling to eliminate this need and simplify the sprite sheet. And I also have a whole bunch of rules that are taken into account for how long each animation runs. Look at that. Wait, take a look. His impatience animation works fine. Look. Yeah, it works! I don't know. It would be fun. Hold on. There's one other thing I gotta show you that I kind of implemented. Or at least partially implemented. But yeah, the background music is from a ROM hack called Sonic 1 Remastered. Hey, Sonic Monkey, what's going on? Oh wait, yeah, I read that name right. Good. I have a tendency to butcher names. Alright, script, components. And this part's still a mess only because I have a lot of work to do on other aspects. And this is my favorite remix of the Muda Kingdom Super Mario Land song. Hold on, I just want to make sure I got that component named correctly. Yeah, it was... Wait, did I... It's a remix of a level from Super Mario Land. Okay, I should not have had it so it drew over Sonic, but you get that the basic functionality of this works. Woo! It works! Sort of. Actually, so here's what I'm gonna do. Change that order so that it is... So basically, I am finding remixes of old game music because I want to make out of this engine a game where Sonic traverses different video game worlds. For example, a Game Boy game called Balloon World, Balloon Kid, I should say. That's where this song comes from. Look at this. There we go. Now Sonic is over it. And this comes from a ROM hack as well, but I believe the guy made the music available for anyone to use in their own ROM hacks and the like. So I feel pretty confident about using this without issue. Because some people are very protective about the stuff they use in their own ROM hacks and the like. It's weird, I know. Hold on, I only want to fix one more thing. Alright, so now I've removed that ugly green that was on the thing, on the sprite sheet. There we go. And look how smoothly that runs. I think playing ROM hacks... Wait, I think I did once play through Sonic 1 Remastered. The ROM hack where some of the music I want to use in this game idea come from. Look at that. Oh, I'm so happy that this is working. So what I'm doing now, though, is changing the animation system a little bit, so that the x-axis is, and y-axis and z, and both x and y can be flipped, because I want to use this animation thing for my tile map, which allows you to flip the animation, the tile graphic based on the block of 4 8x8 tiles, but also I'm emulating what is done with the Sega Genesis hardware, which allows them to flip the 8x8. So what happens is, if you can't flip the image, it's not set to flip the image, it won't, it'll just draw it normally, but if it does, it'll save the context here. Interesting. I gotta check that out. So anyway, what happens is, it'll save the context, and then it'll see which direction to flip it along. If it's 1, it'll just flip on the x-axis, 2, y-axis, 3 will be x and y. It'll draw and then restore the canvas context to normal. And somehow, when I first tried doing this, and it's not doing it yet, so don't think I got it working just yet. I never noticed that the animation for the signpost actually rotates the middle column. Hold on. Anyway. Fuck, what am I doing? Shh. Crud nuts. Ooh, that sounds chaotic. And here's something I'm still trying to ponder. Why the hell is it only Firefox? Alright, man. I'll try and get along as soon as I can. Anyway, I'm still puzzled as to why it is Firefox alone that seems to be able to loop audio in HTML5 without issue. I've tried this on Edge, Chrome, and Firefox, and Internet Explorer, and only on Firefox have I had it where it does not have a gap. Alright, so you see, here's something else that I've changed with the animation. Previously, when I died, I was able to flip the death animation, which looked really weird, but since I went to my single direction sprite sheet format, I had to have a way to prevent that. So, see, his death animation stays the same. Woo! There we go. Oh yeah, I'm going to in a few moments. Ratty instead of ready. Yeah.
So,
well, another sleepless period of time for me, as usual.
well, I figured out how to render 4K video and have a editor that's not lagging.
Hold on a moment.
Vegas.
I'll tell you. 4K video. Wait, so you're actually up to doing it in 4K 60?
Well, with how Vegas render is 4K 59.800 FPS, but at least
Close enough.
very close to 60.
Close
And
enough.
In fact, YouTube
Oh.
might recognize it as 60 FPS.
Oh, it will. Probably. I've had weird things happen like that before. So let's see. Now, how do I adapt my animation?
Imagine if a video that was like 30 pixels by 30 pixels gets recognized by YouTube as 4K 160 FPS or something.
Oh God. I've always wondered how YouTube recognizes how long a video is. It can't be by file size alone because different codecs produce different output sizes. There must be some metadata that is read in
It probably reads.
Huh? Your mic is cutting out again.
Probably reads how long the video is.
Probably like there's data in there, some metadata that tells it the length. In which case I would imagine that could be manipulated to allow for longer videos, which means I could finally do a 24-hour KillPG loop.
24-hour loops already exist.
Yeah, but they were probably uploaded before the length limit was really kicked into gear.
No, like there's 2018 videos that are past hours ago. You're good.
Huh. Interesting. So now I gotta figure out how to make this animation work. Hold on a moment. Oh, I know what I can do. If this dot...
Yeah, for my 4K video, I'm using a different 20 Fox Fanfare Pro.
Huh? Your mic just keeps getting quieter and it's so weird.
Well, probably because Discord is garbage.
Yep. Alright, so here's what I'm doing here.
Yeah, mic sensitivity at 90, negative 94 decibels. Maybe because my mic keeps going, just lies away from my face.
Shit.
No, it's literally by my mouth.
Alright, let's see something here.
Yeah, but my new 4K video, I'm using a different 20th Century Fox Fanfare.
Which one? Which variation?
CinemaScope.
Animation, where's this?
You gotta
Hold
see,
on.
with my 4-year anniversary, I'm keeping it as old as possible.
Awesome.
Something keeps telling me that that Discord keeps
Fucking with your mic. Alright, so it looks like I actually got the tile stuff
like
working.
I'm gonna go to control panel. I'm gonna turn all my mic amplification up.
It's so weird that it's being such a pain in the balls about that. Alright, so now I gotta find...
but my new video is gonna be using the CinemaScope Fanfare.
Ooh, that's cool.
I know.
Excuse me.
Mic boost, 30 decibels. Okay, I think it should be loud as frick now. Yep, it is. And my mic is constantly on. Great.
Hey, sounds a shitload better now. Alright, Z, come back when you are able and when you wish. Come and go as you please.
When you want to get diabetes.
Oh man, so let's see. For
Yeah,
my
you want to view the concept video for the new...
not right this moment.
It's only the concept.
I know.
It's much more different when I put it into edit.
So let's see. We got the tile with the actual where the actual graphic will be shown. We got the block, which has 4 tiles in it. Has the solidity mask, the height mask, a lot of other shit. The chunk, wait. Oh yeah, and the direction. Hold on, I gotta find that information again. God damn it.
You know the Curiosity Company?
No. Or I might not, most likely.
You know, one of the companies that helps produce the show Futurama.
Ooh, that's where I've heard that name before. So what about them?
You know, in their logos, you know that the sounds you hear in the video part of it?
Mm-hmm.
Of their logo? It's actually from a short film.
Interesting.
The company's father had a short film called A Study in Wet, and the sounds and video that you hear from it are actually from his short film.
Hmm. Now there's something I did not know before. Cheers to knowledge. Random knowledge is still good knowledge.
You learn something new every day.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so the solidity. Oh yeah, Tojo. That was a fun stream yesterday. Man, that drum gun's a fucking bitch. I just wish that that one guy who pulled out the trombone after killing me got shot in the head, because it would have been the perfect karma.
Trombone?
It's like some guy, I kill some guy, get near death. The guy then, after respawning, kills me and then trombones as if it were some big whoop feat of skill to do so. And I'm thinking, I wish someone had shot the guy while he was emoting, because it would have just been really funny. But I got a lot of other silly shit that happened that day. Alright, so now alright, so now we got the block. Definitely. I gotta look into some ideas. Oh yeah, folks, by the way, tonight I continue playing through the original StarCraft. That fucking mission where I have to save NORAD 2 just was such a pain, and I've had to restart that mission so many times. But hopefully tonight, I'll finally get through it. Because I've gotten through it before in the past, and Jim Raynor's reaction to Edmund Duke's reaction to him rescuing them is just priceless. I don't want to spoil it. It's just so hard not to spoil it. Oh, alright, that tiles. There we go. 4 tiles in a 16 by 16 block. And in a chunk. Six, 64 blocks in a 256 by 256. There we go. That would be fun. That would be a fun game to play.
Overall, the Studying Wet short film's pretty creepy.
Hmm. I just wanted to check on this website, see if anyone's posted in a forum. Never mind. Alright, so. Alright, so we've got my chunks.
The ultimate question is water wet?
Or is everything else water? Wait. Oh god. So now I'm stuck thinking about how I'm going to implement tile chunks and everything. Alright, so what I'm doing here is my tile will have the graphics. There won't be graphics or anything inside the block or the chunk. I'm overthinking this shit again, aren't I? God damn it. Oh yeah, I still got the chopper badnik working. That's pretty funny. Ooh, I know I could program while I take a break from overthinking this. The HUD, which I already have an animation for. There we go. So yeah. So components. There we go. Okay, let's see if I can find a screenshot of. What I'm gonna do here is use this screenshot. Whoops. "17 and 9. 17 and 9." What the hell was that? Alright, see you later, Pablo. See you, dudes.
You know, there's a lot of subsidiaries of 20th Century Fox.
How? Ooh. How many?
Too many count. The ones that I know so far, you got, 20th Century Fox, 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment, 20th Century Fox Television, 20th Television, Fox Television Studios, Fox Star Productions, Fox Star Studios, and Fox International Productions.
Jeez.
And you got Fox Lab as well, Fox Interactive.
That's a lot. How the hell do they manage all that?
You also got Fox
Searchlight.
Pictures.
I was gonna say Fox Searchlight was another one. There we go. Alright, so now
You also got Fox Video. You know, so many subsidiaries, you can't even count them.
add oh yeah, that's why it wouldn't work. Whoops. Whoops, that's not right. That's not. I didn't want it to draw a chopper, Badnik. Durr. Derp or burp.
What did you do?
I accidentally I had it draw the wrong sprite sheet.
You know, funny thing about the Fox International Productions and Studios
What?
logos, they literally use the same fanfare and the same animation as 20th Century Fox. So it's like it's like shovelware. It's like they just shoveled the same thing.
Hey, we got the HUD at least graphically drawn. Woo! Here we go. Although I think I should draw it over Sonic. I have my computer up to a lot closer so I can actually see everything. Yeah, I don't have any digits drawing.
Like actually though, Fox International Productions and Fox Star Studios. Just look at the Fox International Productions logo. I have it up on screen share right now.
Hang on a few moments. This is going to syntactically look very ugly, but it helps me keep track of all these variables and conditions. There we go. Closer. See here. Which animation? Shit. Uh-oh. I goofed something here. Oh. In frames. $22. Oops. Uh-oh. Something did not go right with my defining the sheet.
Defining isotopes.
Four. So each one 90. Oh yeah, frame widths are 94. Derp. There we go. It works.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I mean, I could also play a terrible trombone.
Do it.
I forgot which video exactly it is, so I might have to cycle through a few of them. It's, it's like someone's farting into the
It really
trombone.
does. It really does.
It's so bad. YouTube is lagging so much. It's so bad that it lags YouTube so hard.
Sounds like someone's snorting coke.
It's just
Oh god.
as a trombone player, I am triggered. Comment from Derpwesh. I find this offensive, and so does my dog. A comment from Flame.
Oh god. Let's see. Where's that animations?
Violin edition,
What the hell?
stylophone edition, bagpipes synth edition.
Bagpipes?
I gotta hear the bagpipes.
Yes, same here.
How bad does this sound?
Probably pretty bad.
Yeah, because bagpipes always sound bad.
That depends.
Yeah, it depends if you're Demo Man.
There
Because Demo Man sucks at it, even though he's Scottish.
are also Irish bagpipes, and those sound a lot better. There's a reason why in filming the movie Braveheart, Mel Gibson didn't want to use Scottish bagpipes because they sound like screeching cats, to quote him.
Of course, it sounds like garbage. It actually sounds like trash. It won't even pause. There we go, not paused. Why is YouTube lagging so much?
That is a good question. I have no idea. Why the hell is YouTube lagging for that? That is weird.
Okay, I guess we're gonna use Microsoft Edge.
Alright, let's see. Alright. Now I'll just have to wait for the frame rate, the number of frames elapsed to be greater than 32,400. To
Oh,
see.
I remember this version, duck version.
Oh, I did, Tojo.
This one's funny. Except I can't screen share it. Because none of the native Microsoft apps are never allowed to be screen shared.
That's weird.
Microshaft Wind Blows 98.
Hey! The time worked! It worked! Woo! The HUD is actually working! But yeah, Edge, for example, it's like you can't even fucking drag and drop. What kind of dipshit thinks that's a good design?
My CPU's at 100%.
So 36,000 frames. And yeah, that's eventually one thing I want to do some my own levels for these types of things. Eventually.
I do not think that's healthy for my CPU.
Oh God. Where's that? Hold on a sec. Where's that kill?
99%.
See you later,
Use
Tojo.
99%.
Jesus.
I believe that my computer is about to explode. We may need to get to a bomb shelter immediately.
Oh God. See you around, Tojo. I don't think it will be done quite that soon, but eventually it will. Okay, so now I have it so that if at the beginning of each frame, I know it's.
I'm gonna quick show my new upload.
There we go. Yay! The time over mechanism works! Oh shit. There we go.
One of my new hot lap vids. Of course, the quality is complete dog crap. Game's at 240. Okay, we could go higher. We'll try 360p. What do you mean we... Discord!
More like shit scored.
I want sound to be streamed from this. Okay, 480p. We can go higher. 720p. This is the highest we're going.
Constants.
Except the entire browser is lagging doing it. Can like... Can you don't please?
This
Pick
stupid
on
thing.
me.
It's being a pain in the ass again, isn't it? Ugh. Oh, welcome back, Z. Well, we're trying to watch a video here, but it looks like his internet connection and Discord do not like cooperating one bit, which is unfortunate because this is pretty damn cool. Well, let me move this so I can do both, so I can see this and do this. Alright, so let's just... One minute, 20 seconds? PlayStation. Yep. I do, Z. I'm just making some constants. Whoops. Come on. That's one thing I hate about Google when you do arithmetic. You can't copy and paste easily. It's such a fucking pain. There we go. Oh god, I forgot to change. I keep forgetting to change the latency back because YouTube is a dumb cunt.
Why do you have latency on?
I don't. YouTube decided to revert the fucking thing from ultra low latency to low latency because it's such a pain in the ass.
I run with a pretty high latency because connection pickup.
Hmm. I only recently learned that there is the ability to do constants in JavaScript.
They now have a new beep button in voice mod.
Ooh.
What? What the?
Whoops. There was a stray. Hey, it doesn't not work. There we go.
Hello there.
Sounding a bit robotic. Better to sound robotic than neurotic, eh?
Yeah.
I'm just going through
Oh god.
random voice effects on voice mod.
That sounds terrifying.
What about this one?
Apollo 11, you're clear for lunar ascent. Sounds like
Sounds like a foghorn.
it does. It really does. So as you can see, Z and everyone else watching, I intend with this JavaScript Sonic the Hedgehog engine to make it extremely customizable.
And as you can guys hear, I am an idiot. A legit idiot.
Idio? Nah.
This sounds like a CSS voice chat.
It does.
Door stuck. Door stuck. Why you bullying me? Hey you. Snake. Snake. Nah, he.
Hold on, I want to see if I actually did implement this correctly in terms of my updating the animation.
Hey you.
Hold on, let's see. Move direction.
Hey you. It sounds like the
Whoops.
TTS from Moonbase Alpha. Of course, you got this.
Whoops.
What about this? Yeah, but voice mod, love it. Voice chat, voice mod pro. Yeah, but literally though, when I played DDR Extreme for the first time on those pads, they were literal AIDS.
I'm not surprised. It's sad how a lot of arcades, it's a big money maker for them, yet they continue to neglect the shit out of the machines.
It's like the machine, like the ROM itself was like stuck.
Good God.
BG, because the BG video wasn't looping right. It would only play one song for the demonstration. Like folders, like you could collapse folders. You can't even do that on normal Extreme AC.
That's
Like, you were able
weird.
to- Like it felt like it was on Step Mania. Yeah, anyone get flashbacks from Dance Dad's Revolution? Supernova 2 Plus.
Oh God.
It's plus Dance Revolution Supernova.
Hey! Look, the flipping worked. Look at my stream. It worked! Woo!
Honestly, it felt nice being able to play DDR Extreme for once.
It is a solid mix overall. It really is.
And it's like, as well as that, the pads were like, the panels were depressed down like into the actual metal.
Oh
So it's
God.
like I kept hitting my feet on the brackets. I had to literally body slam myself into the into the arrows for them to register.
I still can't believe that at the arcade I play at, or would play at, playing doubles on the old Extreme machine they used to have would actually cause the game to freeze. And then there was that Stepmania machine. The shock absorbers were kind of fucked up in such a way where if you jumped around on the player 2 side, it would cause the player 1 side to go up and down. It would actually bounce up and down, which led me to a very interesting incident where some asshole was doing that the day before I was playing on the In the Groove 2 machine there and slipped and almost came within inches of slamming my knee on the corner of the pad. So I was really nervous about that shit. So I was telling him to stop, and I was getting closer to falling and hurting myself, so I kicked the guy in the ribs.
Pow.
Seriously. And none of the people I was with, well, the employees didn't seem to give a shit, but the people I was with, they were there. They heard the story and the way I was explaining it. They were like, "Hey, I would have done it too. You could have gotten seriously hurt, you know?" Because it wasn't just like wanton just going out there to fuck someone up kind of thing.
Was he doing it every single set?
It was probably the first set I was playing. But I very quickly got a no bullshit attitude for that kind of shit. So I remember once I was playing In the Groove 2 at the same place. This guy who looked like he walked off the set of Jersey Shore just starts playing around on the pad next to me like a jackass. And it was impulsive, but in a very monotone kind of voice, I go, "If you know what's good for you, get the fuck off the gamepad." The guy just backs away really slowly. And he walked around. I see him in the corner of my eyes walking around like a dog that wants to beg at the table but got yelled at, and is thinking, how am I going to beg at the table and not get yelled at? Another time I was playing the same and I think I was playing Summer Speedy Mix, and some kid runs across the game pads while I'm in the middle of a stream on Summer Speedy Mix, and comes within inches of tripping. And had he done that, pow, it would have hurt, because that's a very thin carpet on hard concrete.
Loud.
It would have fucking hurt. These parents can't watch their fucking kids. Jesus Christ. I'm tempted to just bring a sign that says, parents, don't let your kids run across the gamepads. They could get hurt.
What? This is way too freaking loud.
Yay, Sonic looks like he's running along a ceiling that doesn't exist. Sort of. Ba-doom. Look like he fell on his head. Jesus Christ. Oh wait, that reminds me. If Sonic dies while he's on a ceiling, does the animation turn the right side up? That's a good question I gotta look into. Well, the animation thing might not work so well for things like Sonic, but it will work more than adequately for tiles, which is what matters. There we go.
Oh yeah, I know how to go back on DDR streaming menus.
Back as in...
You know the modifier menus?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, I know how to go back in them. Yeah, I'm totally not playing Step Mini right now. These timing windows suck.
There, I think now I'll be able to solve the problem of the sticking skidding animation.
Yeah, I'm gonna play Max 300. Actually, I'm gonna play PSMO.
Alright. I think I've just about got this. Okay, I don't have it.
How am I breaking out a sweat, Hicks, when I'm playing on a keyboard?
That's weird. Okay, the skidding is still happening. This is annoying. So now, by the way, Z, I have the HUD set up in the game setup. So at 9 minutes, it will start flashing the time thing on the HUD, and at 10 minutes, the game will kill Sonic. And I have these constants defined to facilitate in that. Did I just say facilitate? What the fuck? Crap. Well, things are coming along nicely, though. I'm so happy. Now I just gotta figure out. Alright, let me just close all of this, close that. Block, tile, chunk. Wait, tile, chunk, and block. There are 4 tiles in a block, 8 blocks, 8 by 8. Right, so there are 4 tiles in a chunk, 64 blocks in a... Wait. 4 tiles in a block, 64 blocks in a chunk. There we go. Uh.
Oh, I remember this at the arcade. So this big dude, he was real fat, and he said I suck at DDR. So I had failed out the second stage, so I could restart back at the title screen. Put him on verse mode. I put him on, I believe, light. I put myself on heavy, and I completely schooled him.
Oh God.
Don't talk crap to me unless you're gonna give me a run for my money. He was just getting miss after miss after miss.
He sounds like a right dumb shit.
Huh?
He seems like a dipshit. F. Games and gaming, emulation, hacking utilities, Sonic, Sonnet 2. So, all these games seem to use.
I don't know why. Can we all realize something? It's like every pad out there, it's just like the up arrow is autistic.
Oh God.
You know, writing down, they work all, fine, but it's just like the up arrow's always garbage.
Weird how that happens sometimes. I know what you mean, though. Hold on a moment. So, Sonnet 2 projects. So, what I'm doing here, and okay, the tiles actually came out good here, but that's not what I want. I want to go to the tile editor. Let's see. There, the solids are what I want. I want to make all these heights, but here's the thing I don't get. Whoops, I did not want to do that. Now, how the hell do I handle this where these have values but these don't? Do I use negative values? Jesus Christ.
I'll say I love how everyone, like, you'll see videos of people playing, like, Eterna or Step Mini on keyboard, and everyone, like, in the comments will complain about the fact that you're banging on the keyboard too hard.
Oh God.
It's because we're trying to make the inputs respond. Sometimes we have to play on keyboards that are complete donkey crap.
So, we've got a long way to go before we hit the time needed for the HUD to change. Let's see here. 32,400 is when the HUD will start showing the timing thing flashing. And then 36,000 frames will be when Sonic dies from the HUD. I mean, from the time limit. Now I gotta figure out how to make a digit and how to handle
God dang it.
Alright, so now we're at 27,000 frames. Now this is what we call thorough actual testing of systems. Testing the HUD, the animation changes for it, and like constants. 6,000 frames to go. A little right now. No, 4,000 frames. A little under. Hold on. Fuck nuts.
Oh, hey, Derpy, you want to hear a fun fact about DDR?
What?
Konami actually intended for DDR to Extreme to be the last
Oh yeah.
game.
I remember that. Alright. Two thousand
This video's
frames.
gonna take an eternity to render because I had a mistake on the fade out.
Oof. I hate when that happens. Jeez. Alright, time to see if the HUD change works appropriately. Less than 1,000 frames to go. Alright, less than.
So a video that I intended to have up on Friday is now going up on Monday.
Fuck.
I should be getting PS Plus soon, so I'll be able to play a lot more games.
Okay, the HUD did not work. Shit.
I'd be able to play yeah, I'd be able to play stuff like Minecraft again. I'd be able to play. God dang it! Why can I not? I'm an idiot. Actually, I cannot think of. Yeah, be able to play
Alright, less
Minecraft again.
than
Be able to play COD again.
1,000.
Be able to play GT Sport online.
5,500 frames until we see if the death works.
Death.
Yay, it worked!
Death. So what game are you gonna be streaming on Monday?
Don't know yet. Was thinking about doing another map making stream for the first time in a while. Because I really do want to get that Trouble in Terrorist Town map idea going with the airplane.
Airplane.
I actually did make a shitload of progress once. And now we gotta figure
Airplane.
out. Whoops, let's see, yeah.
Airplane. This freaking death stare. Oh my god. Freaking girl's death stare on this goddamn video thumbnail.
There we go. I think I figured out where I went wrong. There we go.
Apparently, the Terminator is free to watch on YouTube with ads.
That's cool.
You know, 20th Century Fox's CinemaScope 55 format, only 2 films were actually published in that format. Only 2.
Oof, I gotta get going. It's almost time for me to go out for my Sunday workout. Ugh, god damn. That's interesting though. Oh, fuck nuts.
You're gonna be coming back for a late night stream
For my StarCraft Sunday.
for Story Mode Sunday.
Well,
Expect a lot more content from me because I'm gonna be getting PS Plus soon.
nice.
I'm gonna be able to play Minecraft online again. I'll be able to play GT Sport online. I'll be able to play COD again. And with the fact that it's a system-wide thing on my PS4, I'll be able to re-download Dead by Daylight again.
Nice. There's still, man.
Yeah, GT Sport online is really fun.
Well, anyway, I gotta get
Look,
going for now, but I will be on. I'll be streaming later, of course. I don't know. Well, what I'm doing for sure tomorrow, but I'll definitely be streaming something. Hold on.
that's a car without wheels that's driving.
Wait, what?
What is this thumbnail for a GT Sport compilation vid? What is top 10 bugs in video games? What the heck? I have never experienced this bug before in GT Sport, but I'd like to experience it. You see it?
No, hold on. Uh, how the? What the? That's weird looking. Holy crap. Jeez.
I broke toilet.
with GT Sport. When
What?
other cars are lagging, when other cars in GT Sport are lagging, they'll just like slide around on the tarmac.
Oh God.
I remember this one moment on GT Sport where we were doing drag races down the back street of the SAR circuit. And literally, there was this one car. He was so laggy. He was just sliding all over the start. And like there's also tire slides, so wherever they slide as well. So
Oh God.
and it's like whenever a car clips into another car when they're laggy, the car goes flying. So when he clipped into me, I just went flying down the street.
Jesus.
It was so funny. He was he was stealing the McDonald's Wi-Fi. No, he was stealing the Walmart Wi-Fi.
$30.
Oh my god, this one is funny. This clip is actually comedy gold.
Well,
This is why I hate autopilot on GT Sport, because crap like this will happen. They're just doing S's to warm up the tire. The autopilot's doing S's to warm up the tires, and it stutters for a second, and then it just completely pile up at the start line. Like, it's just, it's why I hate the AI on GT Sport.
all right. One more HUD tech test. Mostly just tweaking the HUD.
I don't care about Google. I don't care about Google crap, and I don't care about potato chips.
There we
Watch
go.
GT Sport.
It works. My HUD is now successfully working in terms of the actual animation changes. Well, folks, I think this is where I have to depart for now. And then a little bit later, I'll be doing my StarCraft stream. So, I will.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Oh, yeah. So I'll see you later, dude.
Let's see if he breaks his PC.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't know if it'll get that bad or not, but who knows?
Nothing will match the rage that you outputted on Doom.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, I should get going. I'll see you later, dude.
I think the only thing that would match the rage that you put on Doom would be Cat Mario. Now that game
will make you smash your keyboard.
Oh God, I gotta look into that. Well, anyway, I'll see you later, dude.
It's like
Uh,
a flash game, but it constantly finesses you, and it literally. Phase Jeff, he played it once. It's so funny.
Anyway, I'll see you later, dude. I really do have to get going. We'll see you, man. Alright, so now for my generic outro. If you like this video, you've not yet done so. If you're on YouTube, like, share, subscribe, tap the bell icon so you're notified every time I stream or upload. If you are on Mixer or Twitch, please do me a solid. Follow me there as well. If you want to connect via social media, you may do so through Discord, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to donate, which is always optional, you may do so through Patreon, PayPal, Wallet, and Streamlabs. Whether as little as $1 or any amount above, every bit is greatly appreciated and goes towards making this channel a driptastic success. All links I mentioned can be found in the description if you're on YouTube or in the panel below the viewing screen if you're on Twitch. Until later, when I do my StarCraft Sunday stream, this is Dank and Derby Gamer saying thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. And as always, stay classy, stay sassy, be smartassy, but not too gassy. People still don't like that. I'll see you all later.